Namaskar, welcome to Habis TV. I'm Shashi Rai. US-China tariff war escalates, but Xi Jinping says China is not afraid. The tariff war between the United States and China is intensifying after the US imposed a 145% tariff on Chinese products. China has retaliated by announcing 125% tariff on American goods, which will come into effect tomorrow. However, China has made it clear that it will not respond to any further tariff hikes by the US. China claims that the US tariffs are highly unreasonable and represent a serious violation of international trade rules. According to Beijing, these are nothing but acts of unilateral pressure and bullying. China further stated that even if the US raises tariffs again, it would no longer make a difference. Ultimately, the US risks becoming a laughingstock in the history of the global economy. For the first time amid the ongoing tariff dispute, Chinese President Xi Jinping has publicly responded. He said China has never been afraid of anyone. The development China has seen over the last 70 years is a result of hard work and self-reliance. He emphasized that China has never depended on foreign aid and has never bowed to external pressure. Regardless of how much the world changes, China will remain steady. President Xi added that no one wins in a trade war and any nation trying to go against the entire world is essentially working against itself. He made these remarks during a meeting with Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez, who is currently on a visit to China. Sanchez is the first European leader to visit China after Trump's tariff hike. He has visited China 3 times in the past 2 years and has also criticized the US tariff policy. Sanchez had earlier stated that Trump's tariff approach would force Europe to look for new trade markets and at the same time open up opportunities for stronger relations between European nations and China. China is now putting greater focus on technological advancement and innovation. The country holds nearly 600 Arab pound in US government bonds, giving it significant leverage to impact the American economy. Additionally, China has injected $1.9 trillion in loans to strengthen its industrial sector, speeding up factory constructions and modernization. Chinese tech giant Huawei has established a massive research center in Shanghai for 35,000 engineers. The faculty is 10 times the size of Google's headquarters in California. This is being seen as a major step towards boosting China's capabilities in technology and innovation. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.